got something really special lined up. We've been invited to check out the Cathay Pacific 747-8 freighter right here at Brisbane Airport. This is a real behind-the-scenes look of one of the most iconic aircraft in the world, the beautiful 747-8. Usually when you think of a 747, you picture it carrying hundreds of passengers across the globe. However, this one is all about cargo. This is a real behind-the-scenes look of one of the most iconic aircraft. And we cannot wait to bring you along with us. Let's go. Cathay Pacific freighter plays a huge role in connecting Australia with the rest of the world, carrying everything from fresh produce to electronics and more.
Before any flight, the crew carefully inspects the aircraft. Here you can see the captain and first officer walking around the 747, checking every detail, from the landing gear to the engines and control surfaces. This jumbo jet uses the General Electric GEnx engines. Each one is capable of pushing out over 66,000 pounds of thrust. They're quieter, cleaner, and more efficient than the older engines. Take a look at this landing gear. We're talking 18 wheels, all working together to distribute that immense load. The wings of the 747-8 stretch over 68 meters. At the tips you will notice a new rake design instead of the classic winglets. This change improves performance and gives the jumbo a modern edge.
Are you guys ready? Let's go.
Every step of these stairs reminds you just how massive these machines are. Now, let's step inside the cargo hold, the heart of a freighter.
the nose here actually swings open to allow loading of oversized cargo. Passenger flights get all the spotlight, but cargo operation, they are the ones that actually keep global trade going every single day. Okay, now it's time to go upstairs.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, when you come down.
Although it's a cargo plane, the crew still needs a place to sit and rest. Behind the cockpit, there's a small sitting area, just a few rows for the operating crew, relief pilots, and sometimes engineers and cargo handlers. For long-haul operations like this, Cathay Pacific Cargo has a full crew: the captain, first officer, and 2 relief pilots. That means while 2 pilots are flying, the other 2 can rest.
And of course, we had to check out the best seat in the house, the cockpit.
A quick visit to the flight deck to check in with the captain about tonight's flight, and of course to show you the cockpit from up close.
So what are we? Brisbane up to Hong Kong. I can double check a flying time of 8 hours 20. So we're heading up to the north there. Then, oh, nice one. Up over the Barrier Reef, Cairns, Weipa, over PNG there, down through the southern Philippines, straight over the top of Manila, and then into Hong Kong from the southeast. So we should get into Hong Kong about 3:30 a.m. That's Hong Kong time. So that's what, 5:30 a.m. your time here.
Yeah.
All looks pretty fine tonight. Weather's pretty benign. A little bit of build up over the Philippines, but apart from that, it looks relatively nice flying.
Heavy load on?
No, I'd say medium to light, about 40 tons or so. So could be more. Could be more. No, we can take up to 140 tons. So in a scheme of things, yeah, relatively light load. Straight to flight level 360 out of here.
Rapid fire questions, very quick, okay? Okay, guys, let's do it. Rapid fire questions with Captain Chris. Window seat or aisle seat when you're a passenger?
Window.
Long haul, short haul?
Long haul, days off.
Sounds good. Day flights or night flights?
Oh, always a day flight.
Best city for a layover?
Ooh, that's a tough one. I'll run with Milan. I like my pizza and pasta and wine.
Sounds good. Coffee or tea in the cockpit?
I don't actually drink coffee. Tea. I drink copious amounts of black tea.
Most beautiful view you've ever seen from the flight deck?
Sunrise over the Anchorage terrain to the east. Yeah, it's just incredible.
Okay. Sunrise or sunset from the cockpit?
No, sunrise for sure.
Always sunrise. Okay. Most challenging airport to land at?
Santa Lucia, Mexico.
Simulator training or real flying?
Real flying.
Of course.
Who likes a simulator?
Shortest runway you've landed 747?
The Melbourne cross strip.
Awesome. Thank you, Captain Chris.
With the cargo loaded and secured, it's time for the crew to settle into the cockpit and head back to their home base, Hong Kong International Airport.
This wraps up a behind-the-scenes look at the Cathay Pacific 747 here at Brisbane Airport. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.